Welcome to Craft with Kathie. I've got a very appropriate video for tonight, especially for this time of year in the Midwest, or at least in Illinois. Yes, we're being hit with two different swarms of cicadas. So please keep the door shut. I've just fuzzed this transfer. I'm putting it on a rectangular frame. I'm going to apply some black velvet chalk paste, go over the silkscreen. The silkscreen gives our stencils a lot of detail and clarity. So I'm going to go over the silkscreen applying the paste. It's chalk paste, not chalk paint, totally different thing. You definitely want to use chalk paste, specially formulated to work with our transfers. And once I have the silkscreen covered, I'm going to lift off the transfer. Do not let the paste dry in it. You want to take it off as soon as you have all the paste applied and then clean it. So I smooth it, remove any excess, and then it's time for peel and reveal. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.